Hello, I'm David Chastain with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news that UDC may be getting Chinese owners. But first, sales and traffic at physical American retail stores on Thanksgiving Day and Black Friday were down 5% on last year. Looking for a boost, many such stores offered heavy discounts, but more customers shopped online, and this sector reported gains of 18%. Between them both, sales are expected to be up 3.6% this year. And the Americans reported that their trade deficit rose in October, and the result was quite a bit worse than expected. Exports fell 2.8%, while imports rose 1.1%. Of course, none of that is a problem for their trading partners. In fact, China is reporting factories and other producers there are improving their profitability. Data released over the weekend shows industrial profits rose 8.6% year-on-year in October. Part of this improvement is because price hikes are now sticking. And they also report that rail freight volumes are up 11.2% in the same period. And China's central bank has tightened monetary conditions in the past week or so, effectively raising interest rates by 0.25% by stealth. In Australia, the AFR is reporting that ANZ is in final negotiations to sell UDC to China's HNA group. And China may be in some sort of ascendancy now, but that can't last. Their demographics were always going to be an issue for them, but the scale of their problem may in fact be much more daunting. We have a link to an important review in the story below. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield is unchanged today at 2.36%. US benchmark oil price is noticeably lower and now just on $46 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is now just on $47 a barrel. And it's been reported by Platts that the US is now a net exporter of natural gas. The gold price was down sharply in Asian trading over the weekend, but has since recovered some of that fall and is now down $6 to $1,178 an ounce. New Zealand dollar will start the week a little higher at 70.4 US cents. On the cross rate, it was also level pegging at 94.6 and against the euro 66.5 euro cents. The TWI is at 76.3. I'm David Chastain. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.